Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Udemy how to get updated courses. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to get updated courses on Udemy, first what you need to do is understand Udemy automatically updates your inbound courses. When instructors update their courses, these updates automatically appear in your course. Just open your course from My Learning tab on the bottom of the screen, and then the new content will be available. There's no need to re-download or re-enroll as well. Next is to check for new announcements. Instructors often post updates or announcements inside the course. Look for the announcements section in the course navigation or email notifications from Udemy. Next is re-download updated videos. If you downloaded courses video for offline viewing on the mobile, Udemy will notify you of updates. You may need to re-download videos for offline use to get the latest content. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.